Right, so Gaz has put his bike in his, well, this is his sort of gaming den kind of, what you call it, barn thing, where he plays his games.
Get away from the wife.
Yeah, it's his man cave with his log burner.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
So he's got his 300 TPI in here. His wife's gone away for a couple of days, so he thought he'd sneak it in here while she wasn't around.
I'm going to send her a picture in a bit.
Yeah, it's funny. So, yeah, as Gaz was just saying, last year's 2018 TPI bikes had the world's worst stickers. They just all started to peel off.
Yeah.
Not from you even pressure washing it. They just started to, they're crap.
Now, where it said here 300 EXC TPI, they just came. They literally came off.
They're just, yeah. The transfers are. I did mention it to the guys at Jermaine where we got the bikes from. And luckily, my 2019 TPI, the stickers, the transfers are a lot thicker. But even when mine arrived, 2 of them had peeled off at the edges. I know it doesn't matter because it's a dirt bike, but it's just annoying. These bikes aren't cheap. You know, these bikes are £7,000-8,000 bikes.
Yeah.
That doesn't really. They'll probably stay on Gaz's head better than stay on this bike. They're just, yeah, they're just not the best quality. So, we've got it in here because it's warm. Do not try and apply any kind of transfers to a bike when the bike's cold, when the panels are cold, because it will not work. So Gaz has got here, I'll put this on the floor. He has got scrubdesign.com graphics kit, 6 days graphic.
It's from Slovakia or
Yeah,
somewhere.
Slovakia.
But they're not dodgy because they've got good reviews and they're not trying to make it look like a Chile bike or Slovakian or whatever it is.
No, well, you're not trying.
They're just 6 days.
Yeah, so Gaz isn't trying to make his bike look like a 6 days bike.
I am.
Oh, he is. Oh, sorry, he is. He is. But the 6 days transfer kits are the best ones because the standard transfer kits are, well, they look like that. They're just a bit boring. So he's going to jazz up his bike with his 6 day sticker kit. So we've got it in here. It's nice and warm. They're not hard to apply. See, I think the sticker kit probably, I think it's about £120.
120 quid, yeah.
English pounds. So yeah, there's tail ones, side ones, fork ones for the front. So we're not going to do a whole video of putting every sticker on the bike, but I just wanted to make a little quick vid of just to say what we're going to do to the bike and just to say how poor the standard transfers were that were on this bike. They were really bad. Not great, KTM. I think they apply them on plastics that haven't been treated properly or something. I don't know what they do wrong, but they don't get it right. As I said, mine turned up and they were already peeling off. And I'd even sat on my bike. So that's how poor they are. We're not going to take the panels off the bike. That makes it more complicated because someone's got to hold the panel while you put it on. You're better to keep them, I think, on the bike. Gaz is just wiping over with an alcohol spray.
But look, it doesn't come off.
Just to clean off any contaminants. But yeah, when you boot, well, your leg rub's on there, so you're not going to, but the transfer's going to go over that anyway, I think. So, yeah, but it's good to have 2 people doing it. I think that'll make it a bit easier. I just noticed some of these stickers, well, they're actually more in the plastic. So we're just going to put the transfers over these because it's really smooth. We'll clean it all up. Shouldn't be a problem. Oh. Gaz has done about 20 hours on his bike now, and as you can see by the look of these tyres, they're starting to wear out. Not much more tread in the middle. They're starting to
service.
wear out a little bit.
Yeah,
but yeah, still a brilliant bike. Yeah, we love them. Whoa, tripped over something. Yeah, the last video we did, we had a lot of people saying, "Oh, you can't ride. You're doing this wrong. You're doing that wrong." Just to put the record straight, we're just learning about off-roading. We're novices. We're just having fun. It's a laugh. Don't take it seriously. We're just having a giggle. And we will go to some enduro tracks and go over some logs and do this and that and go over up some hills and that. We'll have a laugh, but we're not got to that stage yet. So these bikes are way better than we are riders, but that doesn't matter. We'll grow into these bikes. So just, God, the people that keep criticising us, just shut up. Gets on my nerves. I'm too old to be affected by it, but it still does my brain in. Yeah, there's loads of other videos on YouTube of people riding like lunatics. Go and watch their videos. We're just building up slowly and having some fun. Right, just laid some of the transfers out already. There's the front one, tail unit, side ones, some various little small ones. We're not sure where they go yet, but we're sussing it out. Gaz is just working out which ones go where. We're getting there. It's harder to do this to a 6 days bike because the 6 days transfers are in a different place and these will cover them up. So my number board stickers turned up the other day, so I'm going to add them to my bike at some point too. Right, we're getting there. We've done the front and we've done the mudguard one as well. We've got a blade that we use.
It doesn't work.
Well, use that with the microfiber and run that over it, but the two of you can run it up evenly both sides with your fingers and there's no bubbles, look. Oh, well, yeah, at first the 10 little bubbles in there, but Gaz is going to get some little numbers to put on here anyway, probably, so we shouldn't have probably started on a hard one like that. So yeah, we're getting there, looking good already. It just brightens the bike up, makes it look a little bit different, so yeah, cool. Right, on to the next one. Mudguard, front mudguard at the side. We've got so many stickers out now.
I'm not worried about those ones.
We don't know what's what.
Do them myself.
It's the big ones, right?
I think probably these now, but get that one on.
Oh, he's farted. Oh, we had chicken. Gaz made us. The Gaz man made us chicken fajitas. Oh God, I can guarantee in about 2 hours I will be nearly. Well, I'll be too scared to fart. Put it that way. I'll be a bit wary. Hang on, what are you doing? Wait, it's got to go underneath that panel you full.
I know that.
Right, we're getting there. Just a bit of manual labour involved. But we didn't bother wetting the panels like some people do. We're just taking our time, but it's not easy. Because there's so many edges and corners and stuff as well. But yeah, we'll get there. It's going to be a perfect job. We're not professionals, but it's going to look better than it did before. Gaz has farted, it stinks. Fajita fart. Fajita! Not really helping him. Here we are, 6 days daying it up. Getting there. It's a bit of fun with these. They're expensive, but they are, they do look good when they're done. Right, better give them a hand. Right, these ones are easy. No bubbles in that at all. Like, spot on, perfect. With this 6 days, it doesn't show a place like mine says Chile, or I think Phil's is Slovakia. Next year, the 6 days event's in Portugal, so 2020 bikes, sorry. Yeah, the 2020 bikes will be, will have the Portugal stickers on. So this is just a generic 6 days sticker kit. But it's the ISDE. But yeah, that one went on really easy. But that one, obviously we've got that hole wasn't quite lined up, but we'll cut round. Gaz is going to get some numbers for it anyway, so. Right, on to the next one. So the only panel we took off was the air filter cover panel. It was already off anyway, but yeah, Gaz is just doing that now. They're pretty easy to do, not difficult. Right, did that side panel, that was easy. There's a few marks in the stickers, but that's the plastic, actually, not a bubble.
That bit?
No, it's not that bit. The plastics have imperfections in them like that, but it's not a bubble. That is actually bubble free. That looks mint. Getting the hang of it now. Right, we're getting there. On to the next one. Right, we've got these on. Should have the fire lit, it's quite cold in here. We've got those on this other side panel. We did that, no bubbles at all. Absolutely superb. So Gaz has got these straps for his Krieger bag, his 10 litre Krieger bag to attach on the back. So he hasn't got to carry a rucksack. We're just going to take those off. And then we've got, all we've got left to do are the fork ones, the front forks, and obviously for the tail unit. And a couple of, which I'll do now, a couple of ones for this swing arm, which I've just cleaned, it's nice and shiny. The alcohol spray, so Gaz is just getting those off. Yeah, it looks so different. It's just makes it more personal to you. It's good.
And the stickers are so much better than KTM's.
Our KTM's transfers are awful. They're thin. They put them on, but polished plastic panels from wherever they come from, and they just peel off straight away. They're just these. You can't even get these off if you tried. They are so thick. We'll put a link in the description of the company that these came from. It's from eBay. As we said, Slovakia. Where it says scrubdesign.com.
Oh shit, I just broke the number plate.
Oh, his number plate's just... Yeah, the number plates are a bit flimsy. Right, so nearly there. Let's crack on. Just did the fork one. Yes, he's just doing that now. Let's have a look. Yeah, that was not easy to do. Not the easiest. There's a lot of lips and bumps in the fork protector, but it looks all right. I think we've got away with it. Let's have a look, dude. Yeah, that's fine. It was that was hard at that bit there, but that looks good. Brumbo. Got to do the back ones now, so looking cool. Need a cup of tea.
Yeah, I'll make us a cup of tea. What's that off then?
Oh no, I don't know. We've got stuck with these bits.
On the other side,
yeah,
already?
So, yeah.
Oh,
we did these little ones here that matches the shield. So put that. We found out that bit was for there. That was a separate transfer to that. That looks good, but we're not sure. Yeah, we're not sure on these bits. Anyone got any ideas what these are for? We have no idea. Send me a message because we have no idea. We'll leave these for another day. Gaz is going to do the rear one now, and don't get bubbles in this because you'll notice it a mile off. Here goes Gazza. You've got to get it level. You farted?
Yeah.
Oh no, we're stuck in this room, no ventilation. The fajita farts. We're so childish, but we don't care. We spent a whole life working so hard with our business. When we're not working, we just want to mess around and be childish, but we don't care anyway. So right, I better give Gaz a hand. Right, I've just got to do in a minute the other fork protector transfer. Transfers are all on, all matched up. Gaz is just making the holes. So Gaz is just making the holes for his Krieger bag. For the brackets, there's 4 of them. He's done a hole there already. It's just easy to strap a Krieger bag on the back instead of using a rucksack if you want to. So yeah, we're nearly there. Nearly there. Right, I had to take this fork protector off because of I couldn't get the sticker to go round. Well, I couldn't get the sticker to go around the back of that with the brake disc guard on, so I've taken it off. The sticker's hanging there, waiting to be put on, but we just noticed how muddy Gary's forks are. So yeah, I'm going to put this sticker on with it on here. It's a lot easier, so much easier. Then I'll just script bolt it back on. But it's not a problem. Right, nearly there. Ah, Gaz made me a nice cup of tea. Lovely. That's what we like. Ah, there's his son Ellis's gaming gear, his headset.
That's mine.
What?
It's my game. It's my game thing.
Sorry, that's Gaz's headset. He loves a bit of Battlefield. We've both been playing that, been laughing, driving a tank together. It's hilarious. We're so childish. It's brilliant. Love it. Right, let's get this sticker on this fork protector.
Yeah, I'll turn it around.
Right, we're done.
Yeah,
Gazmeister.
They went on better than
myself.
we thought. A few bubbles here and there.
Mate, do you know what? That took probably about 2 hours, but we didn't really know what we were doing and take some bits off and that, but not, do you know what, pretty simple. Gaz might get some numbers to put on it for the side and the front. He's put that on there for now. But look, it's a couple of bubbles and a few bits and bobs that aren't quite right, but do you know what, it's a dirt bike, it's going to get muddy. It is as it is. But no, we're really, really chuffed.
That bit there, that
Yeah.
looks brilliant there.
Yeah.
That's a really good part of it.
So yeah, guys, if you do this, make sure you do it somewhere warm, and they say treat the glue on the stickers as paint, as in to let it dry in warm temperatures after you've applied it. So it's going to stay in this room overnight, and it will go back out in the garage probably tomorrow. And Gaz is going to give us a clean. He's not really cleaned it. He's going to give it a good old clean up tomorrow. Do a little mini service on it. He's annoyed at that. So we've got a little bubble there. Look.
That's really annoying.
It might vanish overnight. Some of the bubbles disappear, but probably not. So we're trying to get it out with that little blade, but not easy. But yeah, we did the best we could do. We did the best we could do, but I think it looks pretty cool. I think it came out really well. So guys, yeah, just a quick vid on us changing the look of a KTM 300 TPI. But you could do these sticker kits exist for any motorbike, whether it's road bike, dirt bike, whatever. It's not, bespoke just for a dirt bike. You can put any sticker kit on any bike, but it just proves that it's easy. We use no water, just straight on. We did clean up all the panels with an alcohol spray to just get any of the residue of the old sticky gunge that was left from the old stickers. But well, no, it came out well, Gaz.
Yeah, it's good.
Then
It definitely looks better.
Yeah, it looks like a different bike. It's a way of changing your bike without spending a fortune. You can, keep your bike a little while, and if you get bored of what it looks like, then put a sticker kit on it. Do whatever you want. Look for the KTM. The 6-day transfer kit is good. It's from these guys. If you can see that with the light, these guys here.
Scrub Designs.
Scrubdesigns.com. Made in Slovakia.
Very good quality.
Oh, the stickers are so thick. You'd struggle to peel these off now with all your strength. You'd struggle to get them off. You'd have to use both hands and rip them off. They're so solid. I just said to Gaz when he pressure washes it, just don't pressure wash around the transfers. Do all under the bike and the wheels and that, but just use a sponge and bubbles to wash where the transfers are, because they will come off if you pressure wash them on high power. They definitely will come off. So right guys, we're all done. We are going to have another cup of tea and probably play some Battlefield, and then I'm going to drive home. Anyway, alright guys, we'll see you in the next vid. Cheers.
Get a whack contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the record.